Today we're in the town of Stuarts Draft, and in this video I'm going to take you to see 3 houses here in Stuarts Draft, only one of which is in a neighborhood. And if you hang around till the end of the video, I'm going to take you to a special place that's coming here in a couple days, and let's just say that when you go there, you are going to be able to get some huge prehistoric cookies. So you'll definitely want to find out what that is. But before I get into the video and tell you all about it, let's go ahead and get started right now. Hi, my name's Stephen, along with my wife Leslie. We are local real estate agents here in the Shenandoah Valley, Virginia, and in the Charlottesville area. And it's our honor to help folks all the time who call us, text us, or email us looking to purchase a home or to sell a home. Maybe that's you. We'd love to help you as well. Our description's in the information below. Additionally, if you like our channel, you like going to places like Stuarts Draft and seeing the mountain views and other places I'll tell you about here in just a second, we'd love it if you click that subscribe button, touch that bell icon, so you don't miss a minute of Virginia Mountain Valley living. Now, as I mentioned, I'm in Stuarts Draft, but doesn't look like I'm in a town, does it? Well, I'm actually in town, just to the east side of town, and one of the things that Stuarts Draft is very well known for is it is an area where there's multiple manufacturers here, thus providing lots of jobs and it being a very economically sound area. Matter of fact, right across the road here from me is Hershey's. Yep, that's the Hershey's Kisses and all the chocolate right here in town. And then up here on this side of the road right here is the Hollister company. Hollister is a maker of medical devices here in the area. Additionally, you have McKee Foods, which is who makes the Little Debbie products. There's a Target distribution center here. There's a Nibco plant, which also produces valves and flow control type productions. Regal Rexnord, they are a business, excuse me, that does electric motors and transmission components. And then you also have Ply Gym here in town, which makes doors and windows. So, like I say, a really strong economical community is Stuarts Draft. So that's a little bit about the community, but hang around to the end so you can see some huge prehistoric cookies. You won't want to miss out on it. But with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get to our first home and I'll tell you a little bit about it. All right, so we have come from where we started the video, and we've come to the west side of town, crossed over Highway 340, and we're on our way out to the first home. And a little bit about Stuarts Draft on the way out. It's a town of about 12,000 people, but even though that sounds like a lot of people, I mean, I know it's not a lot of people, but they're not all in one place. It's very much spread out, so you really have a rural community here. And another nice thing about it is those manufacturing facilities we talked about earlier, they are just not really seen by most of the homes here in the Stuarts Draft area. They're very well hidden, so makes it nice as well. And now, of course, on Tinkling Springs Road is the road that we're on, and that's where I'm going to show you this next home. And on the way out, though, I'm passing right now, coming up here on my right-hand side, I'm passing seems like it's the world-renowned cheese shop. And folks come from far and wide, especially here in the Shenandoah Valley, to come visit the cheese shop with all of their of course, cheeses, but not just that. They've got a deli, as you would suspect, in there. They got a little restaurant, and they sell all sorts of staple products, coffee, and all sorts of other products as well in there. And just if you go to the cheese shop, you'll probably get hooked. So, but it's a really nice place that is here in the Stuarts Draft area. Now, the other thing about Stuarts Draft is that it is only about 10 or 15 minutes away, probably about from the center of town, probably about 10 minutes away to like the Waynesboro Town Center. And then this is the road that goes up to Augusta Health near the Fishersville area, Tinkling Springs Road. And then if you want to get to Stanton, it's only about 15 or 20 minutes away as well. So it's it's conveniently located. It's a rural community, but you still have like a food line. You've got, few different restaurants and mom and pop type places and chain type places as well. A daycare center, and there's other things as well that I've talked about in some of my other videos. But like I say, it's a nice community that is not in one of the larger cities. It's not even an independent city of Virginia, but it is growing, and there's a lot of nice neighborhoods as well. Now, I'm not going to get out to show you this home because Tinkley Springs Road is pretty busy, but I'll show you pictures over here. The home that I'm talking about right now is currently coming up on the right-hand side here. It's listed for $549,000. It was built in 2008. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths. It has 2,454 square feet of finished living space, and all that's above ground. And if you break it down, it's $224 a square foot, and it sits on a 2.59 acre lot. Now, like I said, I'm not going to get out because this is a busy road, but the fact is that with 2.59 acres, you really have room, and it sits off the road, and so you have room to do things, and it really doesn't seem like you're on the road that much. So let's talk about the inside. When you go on into the inside, you are going to step into an inviting full wraparound porch, and wraps all the way around the side and most of the rear of the Cape Cod style home that's for sale here, and you immediately feel that warmth and that character that it has. Now it's set amongst the open farmland with some amazing mountain views, and the setting provides that privacy and peaceful country living. And when you enter the front door, you'll find yourself in a bright, airy, open living room that features 20-foot ceilings and a connected layout that flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area. In the renovated kitchen, you'll find a thoughtfully designed space with bar seating area, black cabinetry, modern countertops, pull-out shelving, double drawers, and updated appliances. On the other side of the kitchen, you'll find the dining room area, which is ideal for both casual meals and entertaining guests as well. Also on the main level, you'll find a spacious primary suite, offering quiet comfort that also has access to that home's wraparound porch. There's 2 closets on the way to the primary bath, which features dual sinks, a shower, and a well-jetted tub, and as well as a jetted tub. As you go up the gorgeous stairs to the second level of this home, you're going to find 3 additional bedrooms and a huge bonus room above the garage, which would be perfect for home office, a guest suite, a rec room, or potential 5th bedroom. But before we go outside, there's also a nice 2-car garage on the main level of the home. And that's certainly nice in the wintertime or when it's raining outside. Now outside, the beautiful landscaped yard includes a tranquil koi pond and a cozy fire pit. Just creates that perfect backdrop for relaxing and entertaining under the stars. And now, like I say, the fact that this home is set on over 2.5 acres, it really gives you that room to do some of the things that you wouldn't normally be able to do on an in-town lot. But you're only about literally, we're almost halfway to Augusta Health right now. And so you're only about 5-7 minutes away from Augusta Health and 5 minutes away from Interstate 64. So very convenient location and a really nice home. But now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go back towards Stuarts Draft, and we'll take a look at the next home. All right, so we've come back into more towards the center of Stuarts Draft here, and we are just off Highway 340 here, and we're in the Village at Colters neighborhood. And if you're looking for a home with low maintenance, 1-level living, you should check out these duplex homes here in the Village at Colters. Now, most of the homes here in the neighborhood are 2 to 3 bedrooms, and they have about 1,200 to 1,800 square foot, and they are in the $300,000 price range. However, the home that I'm going to show you here today is one of the largest here in the neighborhood, if not the largest. I'll just switch hands right here, and I'll show it to you right over there. The home that you see right there, there's the one side of the duplex, nice brick front, and then here's the other side of the duplex that's currently for sale. It is listed for $439,000. It was built just this year, just finished in 2025. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 1 half bath. It has 2,112 square feet of finished living space, and that's of course all above ground. And it sits on a 0.22 acre lot. Not bad for a villa or a duplex type lot. So After walking into the front door of this brand new duplex, you'll find yourself walking up a short hallway into the living room. However, one thing you'll immediately notice is the solid hardwood floors throughout this home. And now that's a really nice upgrade to have in any home while walking. I mean, when you walk in, it's just nice to have them in the home. Now, if you go up the hallway, you'll find the door to the garage. It's a nice 2-car garage. And from there, it's on to the open concept living room, dining room, and kitchen area. The living room features plenty of room and a nice electric fireplace that is framed by two windows on either side. And to the left of the kitchen, with its fantastic finishes that include a breakfast bar, nice wood cabinets, granite counters, and a butler's pantry. You'll also find a dishwasher, electric range, disposal, microwave included with the kitchen as well. Now, in addition to the other 2 bedrooms, there's a nice sized primary suite as well that features dual sinks, a tiled shower, and a walk-in closet. Attached to the rear of the home is a deck with a composite decking that provides an area to relax outside, and it also has some views of the mountains there too. So if you're looking to move into a neighborhood that a lot less maintenance to do, you got this nice brick facade here on the front, which is a lot less maintenance as well. Maybe you're looking for a first home, or maybe you're looking for just getting down a little bit in size. Maybe you're looking to downsize. That's what I'm looking for. Give Leslie and I a call. We'd be happy to show you this home. There's a couple that are for sale here in this neighborhood, but like I say, this is one of the larger ones here in this neighborhood. All right, let's go ahead and let's move on down the road. This time we're gonna go to the east side of town, and I will show you our last home. All right, so for our last home today, it's right across the street over here, and it sits right across the street from the Country Connection store here in Stuarts Draft. It's a very popular store back there with the old silo and the old barn there. If you are into decorating your home with a country flair, you've got to visit Country Connections. There's just so many different things that you can find for your home in this place. And additionally, at Christmas time, this whole grassy area, or certainly most of it, or a lot of it, is going to be filled up on their special day that they have when you can come and visit Mrs. Claus. But it's all decked out in Christmas stuff, and it's just a really neat place here in Stuarts Draft. Now, the home I was telling you about, right across the street here, is currently active on the market. It is listed for $515,000. It was built in 1986. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it has 1,781 square feet of above ground finished living space. Break that down, it's $289 a square foot. And though it sits on a 1.89 acre lot. Now, since 1985, this home has been lived in by one family. And it's time to move on and time to sell. And so it's time for you to make memories in this home. If you're looking for a setting, we're literally about a half a mile where we started the video, down where the Hershey plant was and Hollister, but you don't even know they're there out here in the woods. And that's much of Stuarts Draft. You don't know, that's one of the good things about it. You don't know that these factories are here, but they employ a lot of people. Now, this home is set just in front of the Meadowdale subdivision, which is right behind it. And but let's talk about it. As you approach the front door, you're going to see a peaceful setting, and you're going to love that front porch. I mean, imagine putting a rocking chair out there of your own and just enjoying the time as the days go by. Inside, you're going to find a warm and welcoming layout that starts with the living room. To the right of the front door as you enter, it has a wood stove in that living room, making for some warm and comfy nights. If you continue on in the home, you'll come to the eat-in kitchen with tile counters and plenty of cabinets to store all of your kitchenwares. The primary bedroom is generously sized, while 2 additional bedrooms and another full bath offer room for family, guests, or home office space. Like I say, it's set on nearly 2 acres of land, so the property has plenty of room for outdoor activities, especially in the backyard, where you also enjoy those mountain views of the Blue Ridge Mountains. If you're looking for a place for storage, or even maybe a place to house a pony or a horse, this property also has that too, with a 1,200 plus square foot barn. If you're looking for even more land, there's an option to purchase an additional half-acre lot adjoining the property as well. And like I say, this home, the new owner of this home is certainly going to have all of the conveniences of being literally a mile away from downtown Stuarts Draft, but yet out here in the country where it's nice, peaceful, mountain views, and of course, across the road from Country Connections. But so you can decorate your home, just walk right across the street and pick up something if you like. All right, so at the beginning of the video, I told you we had some huge prehistoric cookies. Let's go find out what that is.
I'm scared. That raptor's looking scary. It's gonna get me.
Well, we'll see, but at the beginning of the video, I told you if you hung around to the end of the video, I would take you to something coming through town here in Stuarts Draft with huge prehistoric cookies.
Ooh.
And here we are at the I Heart Cookies food truck.
We got the cookies.
We'll take them out.
Oh.
They're known as the most popular food truck in the entire United States. And they sell these big
I got the
cookies.
peanut butter chocolate chip.
Peanut butter and chocolate chip, and I got the regular chocolate
They're
chip.
called deep dish cookies.
Yep. And so the food truck is coming through town here in Stuarts Draft today. They're also going to be in Stanton. They're going to be in Waynesboro. And so I had to have Leslie come along with me. I had to get her up here to take.
I let him get a cookie right now.
But of course, as you see behind me, the reason they're prehistoric is because there's dinosaurs here, mechanical dinosaurs, and this place is packed with the kids. The kids absolutely love it.
I think we're the only ones here without kids.
We probably are, but I don't know. We got the kid at heart, I guess, right? So
we have to show them.
yeah. So this food truck, the I Heart Cookies food truck's ever coming through your town, spend the time.
Check it out.
Yeah, check it out. Get a good cookie and take your kids if you have kids and enjoy some Jurassic Park in your town. So. But anyway, hey, I hope you enjoyed the video as well today. I hope the homes that I showed you today in Stuarts Draft are give you an idea of what maybe a little bit about some of the areas, what Stuarts Draft is like. And if you're interested in those, Leslie, you'd be happy to help anybody, right?
I'm happy to help.
We certainly would. As a matter of fact, I know it'd be our honor to help anybody who is interested in those homes or any other homes or neighborhoods here in the Shenandoah Valley and in the Charlottesville area. And if you watch our videos, you know what to do. Just pick up the phone, give us a text, give us an email, and we'll be happy to help you too. So, but from here in prehistoric
Jurassic Park world.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Stuart, yeah, they're a good one. A lot of titles we come up with, right? We'll say maybe Stuarts Draft Jurassic Park.
Ooh.
Or should we say welcome to Jurassic Park? But whatever the case be, hopefully we'll see you next time around town.